Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with me. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Today, we are going to talk about house chores. We will talk about cleaning, cooking, washing, and keeping our home organized. House chores are the small jobs we do at home every day. They help us keep our home clean, comfortable, and beautiful. There are many different house chores. One important chore is cleaning the house. We can clean the living room, the bedrooms, the kitchen, and the bathroom. Making the bed is another easy chore. I like to make my bed every morning after I wake up. When we put things back in their places, our home looks clean and organized. It also becomes easier to find our things. The kitchen needs cleaning every day. We can wash the dishes, clean the table, and put the food away. We can also help with cooking. Preparing simple meals together can be a nice family activity. Another common chore is doing the laundry. We wash our clothes, dry them, and then fold them. After folding the clothes, we can put them in the right places. Taking out the trash is also an important house chore. We should do it when the trash is full. Sometimes we need to do more cleaning. I believe that everyone in the family should help with house chores. The home belongs to everyone, so everyone can help. Children can help too. They can make their beds, put away their toys, and clean their rooms. They can also help set the table, put their clothes away, or take out small bags of trash. When children help at home, they learn to be responsible. Children do not need to do difficult chores. We can give them simple jobs that are right for their age. Helping at home can also teach children good habits. They learn to clean up after themselves and take care of their things. It is better to clean and organize things little by little. We do not have to wait until the whole house is dirty. For example, after eating, we can wash the dishes instead of leaving them in the kitchen. After playing, children can put their toys away. After using something, we can put it back in its place. When we clean regularly, the house stays fresh and comfortable. We also have less work to do later. House chores may not always be fun, but they are an important part of daily life. We can make them easier by working together. Family members can help each other. One person can clean the kitchen, another can clean the living room, and the children can clean their rooms. When everyone helps, the work becomes faster and easier. A clean home can make us feel calm and comfortable. It gives us a nice place to relax after a busy day. We do not need a perfect home. We just need to take care of it every day. Now I have a few questions for you. What house chores do you do at home? Do you help with cleaning, cooking, or doing the laundry? Do your children help with house chores? What is your favorite house chore? Write your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with me, like and follow for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye.